The Leica Q series has always been a source of fascination for photographers, sparking lively debates over whether it's worth investing in the current model or waiting for the next one. This discussion has grown louder as attention shifts from the acclaimed Q3 to the highly anticipated Q4. Leica has long adhered to a 4-year release rhythm, but with technology advancing at an unprecedented pace and competitors pushing the envelope, speculation suggests the Q4 could arrive earlier than expected. If these rumors are true, it could become one of the most exciting camera launches in Leica's modern history. When the original Leica Q debuted in 2015, it reshaped the concept of a compact full-frame camera. The design combined Leica's renowned craftsmanship with advanced imaging technology, featuring a full-frame sensor paired with a fixed 28mm lens. This unconventional approach prioritized simplicity and precision over interchangeable lens flexibility, yet it delivered breathtaking image quality and the signature Leica aesthetic in a portable, elegant body. The camera quickly became a favorite among both enthusiasts and professionals who wanted Leica's legendary look and feel without sacrificing portability. The Q2, launched in 2019, built on this foundation with a 47-megapixel sensor, enhanced weather sealing, and refined ergonomics for greater comfort during long shoots. Leica demonstrated that incremental improvements could elevate the experience while maintaining the original's character. In 2023, the Q3 arrived, taking the series further with a 60-megapixel backside illuminated sensor, phase detection autofocus, and 8K video capabilities. It blurred the line between still photography and video, appealing to hybrid creators who demand both craftsmanship and cutting-edge performance in a compact package. As anticipation builds for the Q4, expectations are sky-high. While Leica typically focuses on subtle refinements rather than radical redesigns, the competitive landscape suggests the Q4 may take bolder steps. Rumors point to a stacked CMOS sensor, which could dramatically improve readout speeds, dynamic range, and rolling shutter performance. This advancement could position the Q4 alongside flagship mirrorless cameras from brands like Sony, Canon, and Nikon, while retaining the tactile and visual elegance Leica is known for. The stacked sensor would also elevate video and autofocus capabilities. Faster processing would allow smoother video recording, reduced lag, and quicker, more reliable focusing. AI-powered subject recognition, enhanced eye and animal tracking, and predictive autofocus could make the Q4 highly versatile for fast-moving scenes, street photography, and professional applications that demand precision and speed. These improvements could turn the Q4 into a hybrid powerhouse, satisfying both photographers and videographers. Video performance is another expected highlight. The Q3's 8K video impressed many, but long recording sessions were limited by overheating. The Q4 could solve this with improved thermal management, enabling extended shooting without compromise. Higher frame rate 4K slow-motion capabilities may also be included, making the camera a versatile tool for cinematic and creative projects. Combining these features with Leica's compact, timeless design could allow the Q4 to rival larger systems, such as the Sony FX3 or Canon R5, while maintaining a portable, elegant form. Low-light performance is expected to improve as well. The 28mm f/1.7 SumLux lens already excels in dim settings, but with a new sensor and updated processing, photographers could see cleaner high ISO images, richer shadows, and more accurate color reproduction. For street, travel, and documentary photographers who often work in unpredictable light, the Q4 could become an indispensable tool, offering reliability and quality in any environment. Design-wise, Leica is likely to stick to its minimalist philosophy while introducing subtle improvements. A deeper grip, lighter body materials, and refined button placement could enhance comfort and usability during long sessions. These small changes, while understated, could make the camera feel like a natural extension of the photographer, providing a more intuitive and enjoyable shooting experience. The electronic viewfinder may also receive a significant upgrade. The Q3's 5.76 million EVF was already impressive, but the Q4 could feature a 9.44 million display with a faster refresh rate, providing a near-lag-free, immersive viewing experience. The rear display may transition from tilting to a fully articulating screen, appealing to vloggers and content creators who need flexibility for self-recording or low-angle shots. Enhanced touchscreen responsiveness, improved menu navigation, and a smoother interface could further streamline operation. Connectivity improvements are expected, including faster Wi-Fi, more stable Bluetooth, and better integration with Leica's apps. This would allow instant file transfers, remote operation, and seamless workflow management in both studio and location settings. Enhanced tethering options would benefit professionals who require quick previews and reliable collaboration during shoots. Release timing and pricing remain key questions. Following Leica's historical 4-year cycle, the Q4 would typically arrive in 2027, but insiders speculate a potential launch as early as late 2026. Pricing is likely to reflect Leica's premium positioning. The Q3 launched around $5,995, and the Q4, with its rumored improvements, could surpass $6,500 or even approach $7,000. Leica buyers often see value beyond specifications, investing instead in craftsmanship, legacy, and a unique shooting experience. If these predictions prove accurate, the Leica Q4 could redefine what a compact full-frame camera can achieve. With a stack sensor, AI-enhanced autofocus, improved stabilization, advanced video capabilities, and refined ergonomics, it has the potential to become one of the most versatile and desirable cameras ever made. It would appeal to traditionalists who value simplicity and control, as well as modern creators who seek speed, performance, and flexibility in a compact, elegant package. Anticipation for the Q4 is already growing worldwide. Leica has consistently fused precision engineering with artistic sensibility, and the Q4 seems poised to carry that tradition forward. Whether it arrives on schedule or earlier, one thing is certain: this camera won't just be another incremental update. It could represent a defining moment in the evolution of compact full-frame photography, reaffirming Leica's position as a benchmark for quality, innovation, and design.